Hello student, now I am telling you exercise 3.3. See first question, see question from the book. Bar graph is given, we have to answer the following question. A part is which is the most popular pet. So from graph you can see that cat is the most popular pet. Then in B part, how many students have dog as a pet? You have to tell how many students have dog as a pet. So you will notice that and you will write that number of children having dog as pet are 8. This you can see from the graph. Now come to second question. Again you have to read the bar graph and answer the following questions. About how many books were sold in 1989, 1990 and 1992. So you will see from the graph that in 1989 175 books are sold, and in 1990 475 books are sold, and in 1992 225 books are sold. Then in second part you have to tell in which year were about 475 books sold and about 225 books sold. So you will see that you will observe from the graph that in the year 1990 475 books were sold, and in the year 1992 225 books were sold. Then see third part, you have to tell in which years were fewer than 250 books sold. So you will find that in the year 1989 and 1992 less than 250 books were sold. Then see fourth part, you have to tell can you explain how you would estimate the number of books sold in 1989. So you can see scale is given that 1 centimeter has 100 books. So you can estimate. How you can estimate? You scale is given 100. So 100 plus then 3 upon 4 multiplied by 100. This you will simplify it. You will get 100 plus 75. You will get 175 books. Then see third question. Number of children in 6 different classes are given below. You have to represent the data on a bar graph. So this you will do on graph paper. I have made this rough. You will mark on graph paper. You will take a scale of 10 1 centimeter equal to 10 children. Then you have to answer the following question. In first part it has been asked that which class has the maximum number of children and the minimum number of children. So maximum number of children are in class 5th and in minimum number of children are in class 10th. Then in second part you have to find the ratio of class 6 to the students of class 8. So ratio in class 6 120 students are there, and in class 8 100 students are there. So 120 upon 100. Simplify it, you will get 6:5. Then students see fourth question. In this the performance of a student in first term and second term is given. You have to draw a double bar graph. Again in this scale you will take 1 centimeter equal to 10 marks, and this blank portion is represented of first term marks and lining portion is represented second term marks. Different subjects are given. You will make this on with the help of graph paper. Then on the basis of this you have to answer the following question. In which subject has the child improved his performance the most? So you will notice from the graph that in maths the child has improved his performance the most. Second part, in which subject is the improvement the least? Again you will see from the graph that in social science the improvement was least. In third part you have to tell has the performance gone down in any subject. So you will see that in Hindi the performance has gone down. Now student, fifth question you have to try yourself. Now see sixth question. See question. Again the data, you have to take the data giving the minimum and maximum temperature of various cities given in the beginning of this chapter. You will see table 3.1 given at the starting of the chapter. On the basis of that you have to plot a double bar graph. You will choose a scale 1 centimeter equal to 10 degrees Celsius. In this blank portion I have represented by maximum temperature and lining portion is represented by minimum temperature. So we will plot the graph on graph paper. Then on the basis of that you have to answer the following questions. First part, which city has the largest difference in the minimum and maximum temperature on the given date? So you will observe from the graph that Jammu has the largest difference in its minimum and maximum temperature. Second part, which is the hottest city and which is the coldest city? Again you will see from the graph, you will notice that Jammu is the hottest city and Bangalore is the coldest city. Then third part, name two cities where maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of the other. So for Bangalore, maximum temperature was 28 degrees Celsius, while minimum temperature of both cities, that is Ahmedabad and Jaipur, was 29 degrees Celsius. So these are the cities. Then in fourth part, you have to tell name the city which has the least difference between its minimum and the maximum temperature. So Mumbai is that city which has the least difference between its minimum and the maximum temperature. Thank you.